Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon sa inyong lahat. Depende kung anong oras niyo po pinapanood. Marami pong salamat you're joining us today. Joining me is our VIP Realtor partner, Max Astrero. Hi, Max!
Hello, everyone.
Ayan. So, nandito si Max kasi pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga nakikita niya sa market. So, ang first question natin, Max, is ano yung mga common concerns ng mga buyers na naririnig mo ngayon? At ano ang pinapayo mo sa kanila?
Oh, okay. Well, big concern nila simula nung June, actually, is yung, since bumababa yung market, kailan ba yung magbo-bottom yung interest rates, sabi nila. So, karamihan ng buyers ko actually, since nag-start bumaba yung interest rates, like June, July, people have started, nag-start silang magtingin-tingin. So, naantay nila yung bababa pa yan, bababa pa yan. So, hanggang ngayon actually, madami pa rin nag-aantay. Pero nakita ko, madami nang nakikinig na sinasabi ko, di natin ma-determine kung kailan talaga yung bottom. Dahil yung bottom is the time na madami ng buyers na lumalabas at baka umakyat na naman yung prices at that point. So sabi ko sa kanila, it's better na na tumingin na kayo ngayon. Pag may nagustuhan kayo, and then dahil maganda pa, madami pang listings, mas magandang tumawad na lang tayo. Tawaran na lang natin, makukuha din natin yung price na parang nag-bottom na rin yung interest rates. Right? Kasi bago siya
Yes.
mag-bend sa curve. So, bumili na kayo, hanap na kayo ng magugustuhan nyo, hingi tayong discount, hingi tayong tawad. Ganun na lang sabi ko. So,
Ayan.
may mga nag-start na makinig. Mm.
Hingi tayo ng discount, hingi tayo ng tawad. Kasi pag nag-peak naman, nag-bottom naman yung interest rate, wala nang tawad.
Wala na
Yung
tawad
taas,
pag...
yung taas ng presyo na yun, dala-dala mo yun for the next how many years, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
pinatong na yun sa presyo ng
Yeah.
bahay. Samantalang yung interest rate, sandali lang yun eh. For the
Yeah.
next what, 3 to 5 years, you know?
Yeah.
Pero yung patong na 20, 25, 50,000, hay, naku,
Mas
habang
malaki yan.
buhay mo. Yeah, that's a good advice. And then, what about the sellers? Kasi meron ka rin mga sellers. Ano naman ang concerns na naririnig mo sa kanila at anong ina-advise mo sa kanila?
So, converse naman dun sa reverse naman nung sa mga buyers, ang ano naman nila is dahil nga madaming listings, madaming kalaban. So, kailangan presyohan mo talaga yung price mo ng tama or mababa para mabenta at this market. Kasi simula ng August, September, October, sobrang dead talaga yung market everywhere dito sa
Mhm.
Vancouver. Wala masyadong titingin. Kahit mag-open house ka, lalangawin. So, oh
Oh.
yeah,
Mhm.
ganun dati. Pero nitong November, pasok ng November, medyo nag-start ng dumami yung buyers. So, medyo
Mhm.
natutuwa yung mga sellers na they can see the light na mabebenta na at some point. And sabi ko sa kanila actually, karamihan dun sa listings ko ngayon actually, ang sabi ko sa kanila, antayin nyo next year. Pero circumstances, alam mo naman, kailangan subukan. Kung kayang
Mm-mm.
kasi para mas makagaan sa financial issues. So, subukan. Pero hindi naman pwedeng fire sale yung presyo, di ba? Hindi naman sobrang
Correct.
bagsak. So, kailangan pa rin tayo dun sa tamang presyo. Pero sabi ko, things are looking up. Nag-start ng gumalaw-galaw yung mga buyers and with all the changes na parating ngayong December, January is looking good. Sabi ko, next year is perfect time. So, ganun din pati yung yung so may mga sellers ako na nag-aantay. Kailan ba? Kailan natin ibebenta tong bahay? Sabi ko, not now, not now. Next year, sabi ko. So, mga January, February, dadami yung listings ko. So, I think it's perfect time siya kung sakali na magbebenta habang pag nag-start ng gumalaw yung mga buyers. Tingin
Oh,
mo,
yes.
ikaw, tingin mo.
Yeah, well, sabi ko nga, spring is here eh. It's feeling like a
Oo.
lot like spring market, a lot of buyers na talagang naka-sideline.
Oh, wow.
Bernadette, it's time now. Yun ang napapansin ko, sabi nila sa akin, Bernadette, noon, I can take my time. Pero ngayon, Bernadette, palagi na akong natatalo.
Mm.
Nararamdaman ko na. They're starting to feel na before, sila pa ang, pag buyer's market, yung buyer ang alas eh, no?
Ah,
So, pero ngayon na nagiging hatsam yan, naku, Bernadette, hindi na po pwede.
yeah.
Hindi na po pwede na I take my time. Hindi na rin po pwede na, offer na, ano ang tawag din, offer ng in-check? Yung, yung nakalist ng 640, tawaran mo ng 620. Ano
100,000.
ka, ano.
Minsan 100,000 yung tawad eh.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. So
Sobrang,
medyo nakaka-insulto na yun, 'di ba? So,
yeah,
unless naman kaya nga kailangan nila yung realtor na pinost ng hindi naman reasonable yung pagkaka-post, then
tama.
I can see why magtatawad ka. Pero kung it's price sharp, tapos
Yeah.
tatawaran mo ng nakaka-insulto, 'di
Oo.
ba? Sinasabi namin is put yourself in the seller's shoes, you know,
Yeah.
'di
Hindi
ba?
naman
So,
pwedeng ganun.
hindi pa
Tama.
pwedeng ganun. And then, Max, let's talk about yung mga clients na natulungan mo ngayon. Ano yung challenge nila at paano mo sila
Oh,
natulungan?
that's
Mm-mm.
very interesting. Kasi saktong-sakto, meron akong client na yung ginagawa natin ngayon, right? Nung una, like, I think it was 3 years ago, nung first time na gusto nila pumasok sa market. COVID times, so medyo mahirap din. Mahirap magtingin-tingin and all. Pero for some reason, hindi sila kabili. Um, well, I know the reasons, pero hindi ko na sasabihin.
Oo.
So this
It was a
time,
challenging time back then, yeah, for
yeah.
sure. Yeah.
So ngayon, this time na nakausap ko sila and it pinush ko sila this time na sabi ko, tama, ito yung perfect timing para sa inyo para pumasok sa market. First time home buyers pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Pero this time, nagka-issue na naman sa ano kasi self-employed eh. Self-employed yung
Yes.
isa. So, problema, masyadong madaming deductions sa
Magaling ang
taxable income.
accountant.
Magaling accountant. Sobrang baba tuloy yung income niya for last year. So,
Mhm.
buti na lang, andyan ka. Because other brokers, hindi sila, nakita lang yung income niya for last year, suko na. So, buti na lang andyan ka. Kasi alam ko ikaw, you never give up. So, you found the way. Nakakita ka ng way. Ewan ko kung sinong lender yung nahanap mo na pumayag, even with the low income from last year because because of business, the mga deductibles, ayaw nyo masyadong magbayad ng taxes and all that. So, muna lang nahanapan mo sila ng buyer, ay ng lender pala. So,
Yeah, and then I appreciate you naman kasi because in this nature, the nature of the income and whatever, I cannot give you 100% guarantee that I can get it done. I told you if you want 100%, hindi kita mapapromise, but I'm willing to fight for it because I believe in it.
yeah,
If you're willing na to fight with me, let's fight. Kesa naman yung sabi ko nga sa'yo sa gera, sugod muna bago mag-surrender. Eh, kaya hindi ka pa nga sumusugod, surrender ka na, no
yeah,
chance, di ba? No,
yeah.
no, no. So, yun, buti na
Kalaban.
lang. Yeah, lumaban tayo and we're able to get it approved and nakakatuwa naman para sa mga kliyente natin kasi nga from no way to yes, yes, yes. So,
Yeah,
nakakatuwa.
yeah.
And then we had another situation, isang nating kliyente naman na gustong bumili para sa anak
Oh,
nila.
yeah, sila, yeah, okay, I
Di
remember
ba?
that.
Yeah, oh.
Recently, nag-close na sila.
Yeah, that's
Uh,
right. Ano yung challenge nila, Max? At paano mo sila natulungan?
Dati pa sila, last year pa sila gustong bumili actually. So, last year, ang problema, yung income ng anak is mababa. Mababa for the price that they want to buy. So,
Kasi gusto nyo para sa kanya eh, 'di ba?
para sa
Para
kanya
gusto
talaga
nila
eh.
makabili para sa anak
Oo. So,
nila. Oo.
para maka-move out na yung anak kasi late 20s na rin. So, kailangan na yung magsarili din, right? So, para
Mm-mm.
meron na rin siyang sariling buhay. So, gusto niyang humiwalay. Pero yung price na approved sa kanya at that time is sobrang mababa, hindi
Mm-mm.
kakayanin ng 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 doon sa price na sa area na gusto niya din. So nag-fizzle out yung application at that time tsaka pati yung house hunting namin. Pero this year, yung kinausap niya ako ulit na parang gusto din na lang i-try ulit, sabi ko, eto, bigyan namin kayo ng idea. Mas maganda kung magsama kayo ng other income kung kasi pareho halos pa rin yung nag-increase ng konti yung income ng anak pero hindi pa rin enough para dun sa
No.
Gusto nila. So, good thing, pumayag naman sila this time. Samahan na lang nila yung anak nila. And that way, ako yung anak nila ng unit na gusto niya. And so, and they're
Yeah.
happy. They're happy. Like, the mom and dad are happy. Yung kapatid, happy. They're all happy.
They're all happy. Yun siya. So, sa Filipinos, nakakatuwa. Filipinos make really good income. However, sa market ngayon, one income is not enough. So,
Totoo.
minsan, two incomes is not enough. So, bayanihan, magtutulungan, di ba?
Yeah.
And dahil, they're committed to make it happen at natulungan naman nila yung anak nila makabili. So, it's so nice to see. Yun nga sinasabi natin sa mga family, kung no way, find a way.
Yeah.
Hindi, kung yun talaga yung dream, magtulungan, mag-brainstorm, ano man yung po pwede. So, pag hindi talaga pwede ng isa, magdagdag. So, mabuti na lang pwede.
Update doon. Yung isa pang anak, gusto na rin ha. So, abangan mo yan. Gusto na rin. Nakita niya na yung ate niya may unit na gusto na rin niyang kumuha.
Oh, 'di ba? Yun naman ang fulfillment natin as parents na makita natin na okay na yung mga anak natin, whatever we can to help them. Oh, that's gonna be another achievement para sa family. It's
Yeah,
so nice. It's so
yeah.
so nice. Ayan. So before we close, Max, meron ka bang tips for buyers out there na gusto mong isipin nila at matandaan nila before we leave today?
Yeah. So right now it's a buyer's market dito sa Lower Mainland. So take advantage. Habang madaming listings, madaming pipilian, ngayon na kayo magtingin-tingin. Sabi ko nga, kung yung price, sabi mo, baka hindi pa nagbo-bottom, yung price, hindi pa nagbo-bottom yung interest rates, maganda yan. Kasi hindi mo masasabi talaga kung saan yung bottom. So, habang may pagpipilian, pumili ka na, buy what you can. And then, so secret naman talaga sa real estate is how long you stay in the market, not the timing of when you get into the market, di ba? So, kailangan mo lang bumili ng kaya mong bilhin, kaya mong bayaran, and habang may selection, pipili ka ng gusto mo, and then let time do its thing para mag appreciate yung value ng property mo later on. And then you can upgrade.
Beautiful.
Kung gusto mo first time home buyers, pasok. This is perfect time para pumasok. And then antayin nyo lang and then upgrade kayo later on.
Exactly, exactly. So right now it's a wonderful opportunity for everyone. And yun nga, magtingin-tingin kayo. Wala namang mawawala pag nagtingin-tingin kayo. Para lang kayo mayroong idea so what's happening in the market. And then with the latest rules na mag-change sa December 15,
Mm,
a lot more buyers would qualify for more, so the competition will be more intense. So you can start, meron tayong buyers na they'll qualify for more December, pero ngayon pala magtingin ka na para may idea ka na. So when the time comes na gusto mong mag-offer, meron kang market knowledge at that time. So Max Estrero is here. We're going to send you, there's a link here para sa contact information ni Max. If you have any question about real estate. Max, anong area ang covered mo for our
I
viewers out
cover
there?
from North Van to Chiliwak.
Ayan.
And
So yeah, we
speaking of
help a
Chiliwak,
client. Yes.
yeah, speaking of Chiliwak, ano ko na, i-push ko na. So nagsisimula yung ano ngayon sa market, yung mga indigenous lands nagsisimulang i-develop. So in partnership ng mga indigenous peoples and indigenous nations, partnered with private corporations, tsaka government minsan, they partnered to make developments. And one of the developments, we had a client, right?
Yes.
Dun sa isang development sa Chilliwack on
Yes.
indigenous land. When in indigenous land, medyo merong mga specific rules. So hindi kasing simple, pero there are many benefits then, like no GST, lower prices, things like that. So madami. So don't close your mind sa mga developments na ganun kung sakala.
Yes, yes. We were able to, we took care of a client together. They really wanted to buy leasehold ito. Kaya nila nagustuhan, like what you said. Ang laki, ang mura, mura yung monthly strata. walang GST, mura yung property tax. So they really push for it. Sabi nila na compare nila for the sa area, other areas na hindi nga ganun na leasehold. It was much more expensive at hindi ganun kaganda. And we got them financing kahit na, leasehold. We
Mhm.
have lenders na na-approve sila and they were so happy.
Yeah.
Yan. Ayan, so we gave you the link na ngayon. So reach out to Max if you have any questions about that type of investment. If you have any questions about buying or selling, please reach out to Max. Anything real estate questions, he's there for you.
I'm here.
Any money, mortgage questions, we are here for you. So reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help. Nakatulong kami iba-ibang clients na natulungan namin ni Max together and we're here to serve more clients just like you. Right, Max?
Yes. True.
Awesome.